welcome back to my channel. This video is the first update for #PartnersInCream Project Pan. This project was created by Steph and DaLin. I'll have their information in the description box, the links to their YouTube channels, and I will also have all the details about the project in the description box as well, like the playlist and start date, end date, all that stuff is in the description box. The project is 4 to 6 cream products. It is a rolling project pan, so when you hit your goal in one item, roll it out, roll something else in its place. I'm really close to hitting my goal in one item, so I'll let you know right now what I'm going to use in its place, and that is the Stila Glitter and Glow, and this is the shade Kitten Karma. I did take the stopper out of this product, but there's a little bit left in there. If I scrape the edges, I can definitely get some on the applicator. It's really close to being done, so I'm gonna keep working on it until I finish it completely. When I'm done with it, I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the second one of these that I have, which is in the Smoky Storm. I would like to finish this guy as well this year and just be done with these. I don't think I would repurchase these again. They're pretty, but I don't want to do it anymore. Next, the product that basically why I wanted to join in this project was for this product, the Kevin Aquan Glass Glow, like the face illuminator, and this is the shade Prism Rose. I absolutely love this thing. I am wearing it today. It just leaves a glassy glow to the skin. It looks so natural. It doesn't look like a highlighting from space. I just love it. I love how natural it looks on the skin. My goal was to use 2 grams of this guy. When I first introduced it to the project, it weighed 55 grams. Today it weighs 54.53 grams. So I've made some progress, but I want to use 2 full grams of this guy, so I have 1.5 grams left basically. I can't tell exactly what the weight was previously because my scale before used to only weigh in grams. It wouldn't do decimals, so I don't know if I was above the 55, if I was slightly below or what, but I'm just gonna go with 55. The second product in this project is the Nude Sticks Nudies All Over Face Color in Bondi Bay. This is I use it as a bronzer, and here's like where the whole scale thing kind of is weird, because when I started the project, I weighed it, and this guy weighed 30 grams, but today it weighs 30.34. So I don't know if it was 30.5 and above or what, because I don't know exactly, but I can definitely tell that I've made some progress in this. It's not like a flush with the top anymore. I've definitely used it. I've used it actually quite a bit of times, and I am still enjoying it. My goal was to use 1 full gram, so I don't know, like, do I want to stop at the 29 grams or what I'm gonna do, because right now it's 30.34, not, you know, so I don't know. Maybe I'll stop at the 29.34. Maybe it will be like my starting point is today. So I'm just gonna keep working on it. I'm gonna keep using it, and I do actually like it. So a little bit goes a long way. I'm fine using it as it is. And then the last item is the Kaja. What is this called? Does it have a specific name? I don't know, but this is a cream blush, and this is in the shade Feisty. My goal was to use it 15 times. I have used it 3 times. I have a long ways to go. I don't know. It's just, I didn't reach for it. And the days that I did reach for it, I was like, oh, this is so pretty. So I don't know why I didn't reach for it some more. I do really want to use it a little bit more. I do want to hit my goal on it. It looks absolutely beautiful. It does have kind of like the applicator thing, but I don't like the applicator. I've been just dabbing my finger in here, and there's quite a bit of product left, and then just like patting it on my cheeks. I do use a brush occasionally to just kind of like smooth out the edges, but it looks so beautiful. It looks so natural, especially if I'm not wearing any other makeup. This and I'm good. So I only used it 3 times. I don't know what to say about that. Hopefully by the next update I would have used it a lot more than 3 times. I am really enjoying it. I wasn't sure how I was gonna feel about it, but I actually am enjoying it. That's it. This is my quick update for #PartnersInCream Project Pan. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Check out the description box for all the details about the project as well as the collaborators. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye!